everybody, my name is Jasmine Brown, and in this video I am going to be discussing the difference between the DMRB and the Eurocodes. Today we're going to clear up one of the biggest sources of confusion for junior bridge engineers, the difference between Eurocodes and the DMRB. A lot of people think they're competing standards or that you use one instead of the other, but that's not how it works. By the end of this video you'll know exactly what each one does, how they fit together, and when you should use them on a real project. So let's get started. So, what are Eurocodes? Eurocodes are the European structural design standards. They tell you how to calculate things like bending moments, shear forces, deflection, just to name a few. They cover all the main materials, which are concrete, steel, composite, timber, masonry, and geotechnics. They are used for bridges, buildings, retaining walls, foundations, and just to summarize all of that, they are basically calculation rules. What is the DMRB? The DMRB is the design manual for roads and bridges, and these are the UK's official set of standards for roads and highway structures. It's used by National Highways, Transport Scotland, the Welsh Government, and Northern Ireland. It covers things like the design requirements, inspection and assessment, the maintenance of bridges. The key idea here is the DMR tells you what you must do on a UK highway project. It's very specific to the UK, whereas the Eurocodes are based on Europe-wide structural design standards. So how do they work together? Here's the part that juniors often get wrong. Eurocodes and the DMRB are not alternatives. You don't choose one or the other, you use both. Eurocodes equals the maths, and the DMRB equals the rules. Eurocodes tell you how to design a beam, and the DMRB tells you what cover you need, what durability class applies, what checks are required, and how to apply Eurocodes correctly for UK highways. So here on the screen, it tells you what the Eurocodes provide and the DMRB provides. What links them together? The document that connects Eurocodes and the DMRB is CD350. I'm going to create a whole other video just focusing on what the DMRB is, and that's the next video I'm going to be releasing. But the CD350 is the use of Eurocodes for design. That's the title. So CD350 explains which Eurocodes you must use, which national annexes apply, how to apply Eurocodes on UK highway structures, additional UK specific requirements, etc. So if you ever wonder, how do Eurocodes fit into UK bridge design? CD350 is the answer. Here are the key differences. Let's compare them directly. The Eurocodes show the calculation rules. The scope, it's for all structures. It's European standards. And it's very technical and formula heavy. And if you see these types of standards, then it's the Eurocodes. So for the DMRB, it's a UK specific requirement. It's for roads and bridges. It's a UK national standard, and it is practical requirement focused. So when should you use each one? You use the Eurocodes when you need to design structural elements or calculate anything to do with bending moments, shear forces, torsion, for example, etc. And then you use the DMRB when you need to follow UK highway requirements, such as choosing an expansion joint, then you use CD357, follow inspection rules, CS450, etc. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Eurocodes tell you how to calculate, and the DMRB tells you what you must do on a UK highway project. In the next video, we'll talk about what the DMRB is and how it's structured. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye now.